God is answering my prayers indeed. Because me, MPP for Bebrea minimum. Since we come into opposition, after we have crass any time I have power. Who ni microphone? Who are showing who MPP ni show who say amekasa. I say, yapa opposition mona e want to ebisa. Me say, kids and men fashion culture. Says true. Me say, me sorry, me pay meko radio station, me pay minko. Me pay meko TV station. Like, I say, my life has become simple. Ekayen kwa, ekayen kasa. Ekayen people phone kwa, ekayen kasa. But you see, our children coming, no. And this is for they are destroying the country for them. That is why we still come out to come and talk. And yet our children coming now. I can make a say then. I can find me home. Because na kupon de nyayen kwan bedi de or the maya. But we cannot just be selfish about all ourselves alone. Or no bre. The soul of the country is not happy. That is why Independence Day almost says shame kosu. And Independence Day pa any Independence Day. Feel so be pia kwa bonja kwa chili kakra. Utifie so a udigari. I said benkuni meku. I said the country of mine is happy. The soul, mother and Ghana, ni soul ni cry like me who say pressure be on mine so. And it is because of more power. We shall Kumasi in 2 days or so. You see, accident you see, nipa 16, preoccupé 16. Ephraim. Nipa 16 at a go. All these things, you know, a sign to the mind who say something is not right somewhere. Something is not right. And aside in Paebono, we must also put our house in order. How do we put our house in order? It is by registering and becoming part of the new patriotic party. Yeah. We can't give a nation to people who will be rejoicing that Omato helicopter bag. See. See. Now finally, you can start sending your request. Start sending your request. Finally, last thing before I pick people up. I've seen some T-bomb calls to journalists be. Omujibility say, Mahama spending 1.5 million Ghana cedis on Independence Day celebration. And now Akufo-Addo was spending 15 million. You can send your request. My family now. Say Mahama spending saying 1.5 million. You see, say Akufo na Mistral. No nyaska. Eya Costco. Because Costco on ajumbe bie akra. This way NDC ni. When this no Costco a ujimi. You say like Obi a friend of Bobby. Onye proud of himself and say, the picture any ni DP. Number one. I bet you what a crasini. We go share. The family won't time be. Oh sorry, and there when you done in there. But your man 5 megabyte. So umbra na ombe yae. Ma catch NDC for say. Me aniti hano. NDC pa ba mu no. Me nya o minus kedi. Se mi di betire mu. Christmas no. Se mo se sami gemfi. Osenimi me aniti ha osenimi momo. 2,000 Ghana cedis and all this sending me. And your minus coming a BD. NDC for bill, NDC for more 5 megabyte eba as a be yamen. Munubi. Yes, is a booming MDA. Over my life so be yami. Wa wo hwe me wo be yami say ye krasini. Hwe me nim wo busu man kan ye aka ho be. Bobby. Hwe me nim mi wo busu ani a aka ho be. Asa mi wale wo sister aka ho be. Krasini. Let me go back to what I was saying. There was a good reason why Akufo-Addo now independence celebrations, I celebrated war, the region after region. Number one, and he said, we wanted to open up the diversity in every region to the international community. Because our independence celebration, ambassadors, Eba, and all those things, and I tell you, when it was held in Honu, the number of people who came, and then also, having financial positivity, financial benefit to the people in that region. When we were doing the independence celebration, all the hotels, I say all of them, they were full for almost 2 weeks before and after the event. 6th March, no? Yeah, I think 3 years ago, you know so. Also, we for Swaba, Blackie. Omuna omenim ni deep in so. Ko share. Omutan time. Ah, where they are there. Nyamia na abona na say abofo bi na habona na. Ebusanfo. Hotels are muna mo no. 2 weeks before and after the event no. Na still omaye full. Edisika eba to the indigenous people. And the ukonya man peni bia ye short-sighted. Short-sighted. You cannot see far. Now, or see, or Jubilee House. Jubilee House, you should be sad. You should be sad. Because, okay, we are not able to showcase the beauty of the various places of Ghana any longer. Sorry. Akra nkwa. And this for na name say, o man we be kwa anima. ANPP, health assurance, digitalization, drone delivery, gold reserve, ni pia free senior high school, free maternity, free dialysis. Ni na MPP ni abemo a, there is no hope, there is no forward going for my way. You say your name. Can afford him. That is why when MPP is not in power, senye helicopter, ebeye car, senye car, way. Oh, ati mu say, oman no ni ninji. Kukufuo eso, Endra, new somebody say, civil service organization in Kofu Amuyejuma or civil service. Almost one was strike. The whole way forward was strike. Teacher training colleges for was strike. Teachers yancho muka 14 months. Nurses yancho muka 14 months. Say omani ninji. The nation is not happy. The nation is crying. The soul of the nation is down. And in crying, no. That is the truth. That is the truth that NDC4 don't want us to say. And you see, when you start it, then they'll go and share your life to their pages and they'll come. See them in their numbers. They'll use fake accounts. But you see, media, if you are on my page, you are watching me in Kwandia. Now see me in Nyansa. Nyansa. Because in Koko be our life. I didn't know more Nyansa, more Koko from Nyansa lives. Mamma Nyansa, Because some of them say, aha, and I'm baby nyansa no free. Aha na muba, you have a rewinding of your brain, right? And see, my message this evening is simple. Independence Day, you know, we are not truly independent until MPP comes back to power. Until MPP comes back to power, we are not truly independent. We are lamenting. Omainu lamenti. The nation is crying for MPP to come back. And that is why you and I must be registered. You and I, we must be registered. This whole match, go to your police station and register. Just let us know where you are. We'll give you the contact. Mami Cynthia, long time no see. Just let us know where you are. Remember our contact of who you should contact and register. You don't have to come back to Ghana. Maybe I will be able to register. What Italy, what US, what UK, what Canada, what Mexico, what France, what Germany, what Belgium, what Luxembourg, what Brussels, no, Belgium, Canada, Brussels, what Netherlands, and all the rest, no. Munina, we have branches all over those places. You will register mo. What South Africa, you can register you. Angola, you can register you. What Togo, Krampa, we can register. Let's come back and take this nation from.
Ndua unze na numbon mo unze mo de pass abo video no bi unze oba we na numbon ti ebere na afanyo betimi afesi no afanyo be de afesi anum kankan we na nipa no oba so na numbon na e de na watimi afesi oba fin a wote hoi we NDC no obi a person o kire so ye champion won na ye tutura ni fine yes enso mo hu se enso hie emfa nipa daw ba da bia ye enso nwunu e na fa nipa me de masamasi nti won de opa won yire no ho na wonye na tutura asem na da enso nwunu no befa no obehunu de ebetie na mesre mu ani diom ba bia obi bia bekọ mesre mu aba ne sa na enso so ye be pa atwo Zuba asori okumase kejeti aho no ene ekroma ye den eya na me di areho se Ghana fo kra na ekwan be so na omutimi survive omutimi didie omutimi tenase e wo sa kuro ne mu eya den na ene ye nua maam ye maame mu ton ade na sese wode aba etuo kontiba ene ayi amatwofo asi wo mu so omunyi wo mu ne amamfiri wo so baaye no wuntimi nya bibia wo wo pam wo mu amoma sa akofie timetrem ba bia mbako bia monkasa ntia sa ade no na sa brantie ya wa ma ne ho mmene so ada bia wo kasa na wo prete se preko no mesrem wonya ne gimi na wo gimi no minua no enso wo gimi wo di nsɛmfo wo maame fie e na wote wo so ame o wo maame fie na wote wo so ame yenimu wase wate o susu mpre na se tumi ne de amawa susu pre na susu fati a wonua no ma na omote wo mesremu ba bia mbeko bia mon fight market afọ ma no na wo mu di areho no mu ho kire wo mu nya NDC fo wo mu MPP fo enti ne eta wo mani mesremu minua no ma mo ba bi platform bia mbeko so bia mon preach ne stop sa nkwase ade no me da the master
Zuba Asɛm de mane ye onwa na I blame Kumasi for nankasa onim say Zuba ebe kan say if any say
obahwe wo mu
arts for no no kwade so kan last year ehwe ne de kan last year and away if any say sa school ya na do see the man
creative art na wo
creative art
say the guy Fatiado
nti na ma
osi creative art no ehun hia osi ehun you see I blame Ghanaians osi ehun hia o na mu one done no one fa meye a friend saying training college. Abra enye wadwene na wodi siye. Enye wadwene enye wunyansa na wodi siyo. Na side we do no hu bi obabi ada wo see creative art school e de ama. Sa we krasini a what kambu kire ready yesu. Obi to kambu di fi abrochiri be chawa. Wo share socks na wo de be kata so. Wo share socks na wo de be kata so ansa na wo share shoe no. Hwe oti ho na se wotumi bie wa no ka se creative art school na na do see ye no eso ni mfa so eno nti no won dane no won fa ye training college be sin ne almost 1 month ni na o ka sa asem we obi an ka ho hwe yo abeku santana wo furu na wo de nam wiase another opportunist abeku santana wa we can say we circle mu na obi a wo ne nyina wo the same party mu abeka nkwase asem say afa adwuma a wo ye ho apefa adwuma a wo ye ho sabeku be gidin wo be ye din enam dia wo ye so adwuma sa asem we a wakosa itia no eno so oh no wonder say wo kra de tamana na do de online we buy no wo de wo say ye ntwa no ngu na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia propose ye no wo say wo ntwa no kra ngu na ma won dwene sa we no na mum TV ebe boa won chen online streaming app na obe ya dia ma obe create dia ma no wo hwe TV a better abeku santana few years ago the first time I go UK ni mi fie e na oba ye na ye kire obabi a na okwa obekwa kututu chinsimu obekwa kututu classrooms ahomachi 3 o'clock e wo UK o failed obi kasa nkwasa asem we e wo ho ma wantimi ameyi anoda wantimi ameyi anu na mo tiwi ase na se mo kase mo be jimi mo ho saa e mo se na nado na manya no just say every legacy na nado ni Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia any MPP jade egu bia no mo pese mo di twitwi bitumen mu anase kwase bia be ka se ono de se onye opportunity a Bernard Mona se ono onye opportunity a ordinana do din no or the bitumen ebe kata ni din so obi a wati desi ordinary sa hye ne bottom years back etimi amount $2,000 just a twinkle of an eye one can sika no de ma $2,000 ama utumi di bi fa car so de rent a car ekokọ ye dia obeye wo competition ase ugina ho ka kire ne se unye opportunity a ube kata ni din so afi Ghana history mu. Wow, is that how far we've come to? Is that how far we have come to? Enipa bone na sa haji ano already on him not pa mo fo se bibia na ye ntokwa wo mo fo se bibia na ye ntokwa wo wiase mu. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia e bo no humodi biara se animonyam a ma hwere no wozongu no ena ma binum te se mo ene Alhaji scenario nom na mu gu zongu fo enim ase egu nipa anka wo se wonya wo kita dibia kese no mu gu o manim ase na papa we pese odi animonyam kese de be hye mo no mo nam ho ena mo tete ho ntesuo ena mo pupu gu ho bodi mo nto aso obi te se baba jama ene baba jama abesan abeye MP baba jama asan abeye MP osan ko the same asori dan na Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ko yi na uko gina ho kai se doctor nye kremoni papa no ene de wako gina asori dan mu ka se wo ye harvest wo ye bribia won ton san frɛ ewiase no eni glasi de goodness Ibrahim Mahama ene usika na wo no Farmer John Mahama na onfentia necessary no wisika Farmer John Mahama na onfentia necessary wisika Farmer John Mahama na onfentia teachers allowances wisika Farmer John Mahama na farmer contractors wisika Farmer John Mahama na onfenwie agenda 111 na onfa nurses engulu any doctors any health workers, medical assistants, lab technicians, no for one firm group. That's all the reasons who go any masina. Who go any masina when you been country. I had a yamobo. And this no my mo say, Yan said in Yan Samubesia, Edia Buo Mino, Moon Juna no. Moon Juna no. Mahama be general catch there and say, Ediania, your money dear no, a better. A chain, abbreviate you. Yana fort. Ghana phone aye. Because of catch there and say be do baby, ye nimnas ye talk ye the man share and this in Sabiwa. Ye be who and say, Onga Basse, Coco, Ubia, sorry, Impionco, no man ya tongue. And true, exactly what we are going through. Because Uncle Bill to make a chair and say, or no, or intimate good man on what dear. Intimate good man on what dear. Obey then or a Ferrari. I can bet that John Mahama ate me a Ferrari. Plain now, Unyonko Kai saw no dear. Or Tissika, Edia Mama Ghana. Former president, that's your auto. We see Debbie. Mama Wangas okay be. We see a win here say will be Fessica, and I say or man be Fessica, the aqua plane. I am plain a holding Yinano, Edimu, a one dame pa. And then when you are Ubaya, when you are the and say no, and we use now the call rounds. Old one is ho, and we use another one. As I got another one at the count. I won't ferry idea. Inti enura nsuo toy and adwena nsuo toy no se wan tia ade chinya wo pie no so wan hu se nsuo ato onan tia atachemu onan etia atachemu mama boni a wodidi Ghana abra na wo fi mama one wo fi aban mu akona wode bauxite nyina hini ade chair unua no onyansani anakoma da Ghana so ana Ghana da nakoma ho eba ya obe reverse ya just say until the ayo ya ma oba ya no what but for revenge what time dia ma unua na wankasa wo hyechi na wo de ye Ghana nyadoa Ghana ne ton ne bia no ton na wo kai no e bia no na wo ka kire yen say wo de Ghana hanom no usika entimi nhwe SHS for free entimi nhwe SHS for ebeye de na wetimi ama o sika wo se wa kukuri aso mo mponche awe hwe ba bia odi ya be me say me ma school every weekend because mo mediane every weekend because mo mediane hifa pa na odi Ghana kwa sheye enti ama ya odi ya bewie kontebe sei odi Ghana abewie kontebe ugu Ghana animase security wise there be onkwa enfiahi bosomi ahini a defense minister ewuye ahwere ne kwa ya ana eduru na oyeye no time ne nso ye eduru na oyeye no time ne nso ye enti we replacement sia substantive defense minister ebebu account enti no pesa obeye
Joe me tawano when new accident na 80 no 8 times 2 no 16 people now
ambulance there no
yeah
yeah where
Joe Mahama did the 8 no the figure 8
yeah 16 if 16 a film head on collision unkwa na wo de yeah in some of Cadifa na do hu nyina no eno na eto no wo na bresu no o ka kire na do say na do nim no makwan na ye registration covid the time no so mo be kai a ono anka se bi na no kai covid the time say ye voters registration na bibi moje bi ebehwe agu bia o how e beba bia no o de bagu na do tiri so o de bebo na do tiri so Mama ene una ebo otiri so. Na me ncha de akukọ nsakra pu akukọ ntakra kra ntu. During that time akukọ ntakra kra pu ntu. But wo ede na ye every now and then atrocity. Every now and then atrocity. Aden. Oye nipa ben. Ugu hu anim ase. Ugu hu anim ase. Obi kita ade na waje. Hwɛ atoro kakraka a obedidi kyerɛ ɔman Ghana. Sona wɔkɔ kan yɛ. Ɔno ɔbɔ asafo agye abɛda na adi pefee sɛ wo saa position na wo se wɔn a reserve the amount automatically. Anaasɛ automatic sɛ wo deɛ wo se oh wo yɛ good. Ɛno nti no
Enjoy.
Yes sir.
Ewuo no esi yi
Oh, I think 4 days wiki
Anya Wednesday.
Yeah, just about 3 days ago. 3 or 2 days ago.
In 3 days, okay. And
yeah, wiki ma.
Anyway, okay.
Ambulance.
Wednesday be asem sintina mam.
Yeah.
Ewiase na mama de ya akọ gina no no won. Hwɛ yemu bi o aye yemu hihye yo. Ye kan sem but ye yemu hihye. Because the nam kwan so aye ba no. The nam kwan so aye be ba no. Enye bi ni. Boni pa no de ga because na mama oye last straw. Because they said dinga tianum nyina ka say ono na wesika. Because now NDC and dance or meet we need 2024 election da. Jomo can say omo de yen jama no no wesika. On fa de sika nhyem. No fa magie anim guase no. Little did they know say obekọ beyond the limit. I said dinka tiani 3 years say baby mama ko ye nyina say prophetess no kai. I say baby mama ko ye last hour ni nyina no. I said dinka tiana unni idea nka unnim. Nti no wafa ho adi. Na nya sa pa dia. Enu na nka wo pese wo de wo twa so na ekopai fa baby fufuro no. Na ono so wa ben. Wa hwere aka te se
na Sami Jemfi.
Wa hwere aka te se friend say bibia me de mani hwe no. Anu nti no ai na adwen se de besi bia na mfa no mama. Ghana ha na ye wo no won. Ghana ha na ye wo no. Bibia wo beye bia ye hu abra wo ye na wo ye wi a ye be hu ye bete ho. Ye bete ho. Awu de to aso pad na wo de gye dia wo de gye no me ba enka no yankopon pamgu because me ba okwa me to ne ve na me de ama no me ni ska ne bedie me to ne ve ni na fufu ko yin bia no de bia ma me ka chen say wo chiche pu ada wo be ka say wo chiche kra no on peti unyare mo nkọ assembly grounds wo bi po na won aka say wo de ma na waka se bia bi on peti unyare aba boni pem
amamfo beso mo ba obetimi asime na wafa nkrofo foforo why
boni pen na Ghana ye de ayo boni pen na Ghana ye de ayo ye de uba se nsem amoye mutari ntokwa amutime kone ni amoye ni nyina no ye bisa se etimi si school adan na do hya ase na ye nwie no term schools ne e friend say other schools classrooms expansions na wo ye wo schools ni nyina mu no ehin fa na akodu wo ba bring girls a ba ko pepo ni awatimi awie ya na do hya ase no not even a single one na awatimi awie wo sectec dormitory na do wie ye na nsia na wo commissioning classroom the same thing wo commission aka ma ne de na wo ho no ade nti na no de wo nto aso ma wo ye mai every sectec secondary technical presby eno na yenim say we ya expansion no